Miss Paula.
Yes, Miss Sunshine.
We're gonna make.
You know, you got a Christmas tree on your nose. That doesn't tickle you?
Just a little decorative.
It would make me sneeze.
We're gonna make a sweet cocktail this time around, okay? It's our Savannah lemonade. We're gonna use.
People love our lemonade. Did you know that?
Oh,
our regular lemonade.
Because we make it fresh every day.
Yes.
So good.
Yes.
But we're gonna make it with a little Firefly sweet tea vodka. Okay? All right. Let's start with some ice.
Okay.
And then we're gonna squeeze our lemon.
Uh-huh.
This one we have to shake, so squeeze that in there.
A little more
our lemon
flavor.
wedge. And we are going to get a little bit of lemonade. A little bit of simple syrup.
Okay, okay. Which makes it so good, y'all.
The vodka.
Uh-huh.
Do you want to pour it?
No, thank you, honey. I don't want to mess up your beautiful drink.
And splash of Sprite.
Ooh.
And then our shake.
You show me how you shake, okay?
All right. Pour on.
Uh-huh. Whoa. That's a pretty color.
Garnish her up.
Now what made it that color? Was it the
sweet
vodka?
tea vodka?
Oh, okay. It looks good. Break up a little piece of mint in it, because mint goes with sweet tea, doesn't it?
It sure does. How is it?
I could drink this.
Let me try.
I could drink this all day long. It's like a sissy drink. Come on, suck, girl. I'm going to need some help on this one.
Oh, it's good. Oh, it's good.
See, I would not know that alcohol was in there.
Dangerous.
Yes.
Very
dangerous. It could slip up on me. Wow. Sunny shine. Delicious.
Good. I'm happy you liked it.
So I'm going to come back up here and we'll share some more recipes for some more drinks some other time.
Yes, of course.
How about that?
All right. Sounds good.
Y'all be sure.
What's your number one drink that you sell here?
The Savannah lemonade. Hands down.
Hands down.
Hands down.
Well, it is delicious. And I never acquired a taste, you know, for alcohol. What you smacking your lips about, Ed?
Looking at who just bellied up to the bar. Look at who's that?
Uh-oh.
Miss Jelly Roll.
Trouble. Her name is Trouble.
Miss Jelly Roll. Miss Jelly Roll. Yes. How are you? I'm doing fine.
Oh, she's everywhere. She's everywhere. But, well, I forgot what I was going to say, Sunshine.
The alcohol has gotten to.
Listen, I can drink a glass of wine to be social, and I'm kind of like this. So I will be back, honey. All right. But y'all remember when you're in Savannah to come up here and enjoy this beautiful bar. Our building is over 200 years old, and we left a lot of the
original mechanics for the elevator.
Yes, that
was. I love it.
I know it. That was originally for the elevator, and we got a little sofa over there. So if a couple wants to talk sweet nothings and have a lemonade, it's a perfect spot.
Yep. Thanks for making cocktails with us.
Thank you, Sunshine. I love you. Love you, love you, love you, girl.
Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.